All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I wanted to try out Cerakote's ceramic paint sealant. If you saw my last video of me not comparing, but reviewing the Ryobi pressure washer, the automotive one, I did say I was going to show you guys me actually polishing the car. And I just did it, and I didn't record it because I did one little panel, and then I just like kind of kept going. I was listening to a podcast, and I didn't record it at all. And yeah, I thought it came out pretty good. It's my first time ever polishing the car. It took me about 2 hours to do. I've seen a bunch of videos of it being done, so I kind of just replicated the same steps. I used 3D speed, that's why I have it here. So to show you guys that this is what I use as my one-step correction. It's a one-step correction glaze, polish and protect, high gloss finish, perfect for RVs and boats. And then I have a picture of like a Lamborghini on there. So this isn't a Lamborghini, but it's probably the next best thing. But yeah, today's video is really just me applying the ceramic sealant. This is a very, very affordable ceramic sealant. I think it's $16 at Walmart, Home Depot. A lot of places got this. I also Amazon as well. If you need me to leave the links, I will down below. And yeah, I'm really sweaty because it's like 92, 93 degrees out here. I closed the garage because there's a really bad squealing sound. And it's just kind of annoying, and it picks up on the mic a lot. So I'm in the garage, closed down. Yeah, so that's why I'm sweating. Okay. We washed the car. I polished the car. I still have water spots on the windows, but we can leave that for another day. And I'm gonna do maybe. I've done a YouTube short on how to remove water spots. So if you guys want to see that, go check out my YouTube shorts. But yeah, anyways, we're gonna get this coated. The whole car coated. Currently has no protection. Obviously, after me using 3D speed, there shouldn't be any coatings or waxes or anything here. The only thing I do use is like 3D's bead maker, but I haven't applied it in like maybe a month, and I just polished it. I did wash my car, but I didn't use it as a drying aid today. I just washed it, or I just dried it normally with a regular towel. Nothing like that. So there's nothing on the car. It's pretty much stripped down. I also iron removed and clayed it as well. Oh, sorry, I did not iron remove. I clayed it today. Did not iron remove it though. Anyways, yeah. It says it lasts 50 washes guaranteed, which is kind of, it's pretty cool. I don't wash this car that often because I mostly wash other people's cars, not really my own. I should wash it. I don't really need to. The inside, I never have to clean it. It's just me. I don't have kids. I don't have a dog in there. Like, it's just me. There's nothing wrong with the interior as long as I don't spill stuff. And then the outside, I guess, gets dusty. I live in California. I have a bunch of palm trees near me, and it gets dusty and trees fall all over it. You can see my windshield. I literally left it outside for 5 minutes, and this stuff drops on it. So kind of hard to avoid here in California, but. And then a motorcycle drives by. Okay, here we go. The best guaranteed. If this is not the glossiest, slickest, easiest to apply paint sealant you have ever used, we will simply refund your purchase. So let's go ahead and open this up. Let's see what it brings. I will actually go a little closer to the camera. It's kind of a hard setup here in the garage because when I bring in the car, I don't know how close I am right now. I don't know if you guys can see me. When I bring the car in, it's very, very compact. I have a lot of stuff in here. I got a fridge, washer and dryer, a bunch of random, garage stuff. But yeah. So yeah, it's going to guarantee you 50 washes. Just want to get a little closer. You get your little sprayer here for the bottle that it comes with. Just a little kind of average cheap sprayer there. And then we have the actual ceramic sealant. Now, this is something I don't know actually. I want to see. Basically, how many uses do you think you will get out of this? We'll see. Instructions, preparation. Park the vehicle in the shade or out of direct sunlight. Wash and rinse thoroughly. Use a high-quality car wash soap of your preference. Thoroughly dry vehicle and ensure all surfaces are cool to touch before application, which I've already done, and I polished it as well. Application. Gently shake bottle for approximately 10 seconds, working one panel at a time. Evenly spray a light coat directly to the surface using one side of the towel. Wipe the coating evenly across the surface. Immediately flip the towel to clean and dry side and buff the coating to an incredible shine. Inspect each section after buffing to ensure no haze remains. If any haze is present, buff the haze away to a high gloss shine. Okay, and then it says Cerakote Rapid Ceramic Paint Sealant will cure in approximately 2 hours. During this time, you will notice the gloss level and slickness increase dramatically. Okay, so again, I've never used ceramic detail spray by Technician's Choice, which I know Josh V. I know a lot of people in the industry really use it. My local 3D, they always carry it there too. I've always just used bead maker because heard of it for so long. I first used it like 6 years ago, and ever since then I've just been using it. But recently, I think I got to step it up. I do want to do a demonstration between Beat It Up, Bead Maker, Rapids, this Cerakote, and then also Technician's Choice Ceramic Detailer. I want to try those three on a panel. I know Josh has done Ceramic Detailer, Cerakote, and I think Turtle Wax, but I don't know if he's ever used Bead Maker. So we could try that out. Yeah, slickness, gloss, and shine, and extremely hydrophobic. And it's going to last you 50 washes. So, I mean, if you wash your car, let's say even once a week, I mean, that's assuming once a week, 4 times a month. They say 50. It's going to, this to me sounds like it's going to be a year of protection, right? That's what it sounds like to me. I don't know if they're under delivering, overselling. Well, I don't really know. Maybe we'll do updates over the year, over the next few months, and seeing if the hydrophobics are still there and things like that. So let's go ahead and get started, man. I'm going to show you guys maybe a little bit of the hood, and then we'll go around the whole car, and I'll take the car outside, and I'll show you guys a full 360, see how the finish is with the gloss and all that. And yeah, so let's get started. Okay, guys, so you just got to put that little tube on the actual on the lid there, on the sprayer, and then just close it up here, and then you want to make sure you put it to on here, shake it up. I do have right now currently I'm recording with the POV iPhone thing, so I'm trying to hold it up for you guys. Now I want to have you understand. I want to kind of give you a little first person action here, and then we're going to grab the towel that it comes with. Do not drop the box. There we go. So we got this little microfiber towel. Honestly, I really I don't know if this is just me, but I really hate touching microfiber like with my hands. It just sticks to my fingers and stuff. I don't know. I don't like it, but yeah, we're gonna basically spray it along this panel here. We're gonna do the hood first, and then just work our way around the car, right? So I'll probably do the hood first, move on to the side panel, the 2 doors, the trunk. We're gonna go all around like that, and then we'll finish off with the front grille, and then we'll take it outside in a little bit of the sunlight, and you guys could see this. But yeah, let me just make sure again right here. Preparation. Application. Sorry. Gently shake bottle for approximately 10 seconds. Work one panel at a time. Evenly spray a light coat directly onto the panel. Wipe in and then flip it over. So let's do maybe a little section here, like a little rectangle. We'll just go ahead and boom. That looks good to me. And we're gonna go ahead and just wipe it in. And then it does say to buff off as well when you immediately flip it. So wipe it in, flip it, and buff, buff, buff. Buff it in. There we go. Sorry if it's kind of, I'm shaking the camera or whatever, but I'm giving it a good rub in. All right, so moving on. So I'm kind of doing this like in thirds. I feel like that's kind of the best way to do it. And then give it a good swirl action there. I'm actually going to move the camera. I'm seeing it. You guys can't even really tell what I'm doing. So maybe I should kind of change the camera angle up a little bit here. Maybe give you guys a little bit. Kind of maybe hunched over so it's going to kind of see it. Okay, there we go. Boom. Oh yeah, it's got like this little weird gray haze to it. Like it's drying up. It's pretty quick. Okay, then flip. And then buff it out. I'm assuming they're thinking you can do this with a whole with just this towel. I'm assuming that's what they're thinking. So yeah, hood is now done. It looks definitely added gloss to it for sure. I don't really want to touch it yet, but let's move on to this little panel here. And then I'll probably go around the whole car, do it. And we'll take it outside to see the final results of the shine and stuff like that. So let's try out this little panel here. And we'll rub that in. Got to kind of sit down for this corner. It's kind of at a weird angle here for me because the chair's right behind me. But you guys can't see that, so it's fine. All right. And then we'll buff that in. All right. All right, you guys get a good tire shot. That's basically all you guys saw. So I am going to maybe put you guys on the tripod, and I'll kind of time lapse it of me going around the whole car, and then open up the garage, and you guys can see the whole results of it. So let me go ahead and set you guys up for a tripod, and I'll be right back. It's nice and slick, shiny, reflective. Definitely has a gloss. Obviously, the paint's not the best. It got a lot of dents in here and stuff like that. It's an older car. I've had it for 2012. It's 2012, so yeah, it's nice. I mean, I saw water spots on the windows here, as you can see, kind of a little bit. But yeah, really easy. It was really easy to apply, honestly. You just spray, wipe, and I forgot to mention it has 2 towels. It does actually have 2 towels. I just totally forgot. I'll show you guys that right now. But it leaves a nice slick shine. I wish there was more sun so you guys could actually see it reflect a little bit more, but it's definitely looking better. And this headlight was Cerakoted headlight restoration kit that has ceramic coating on it, so I didn't even touch it with that because I didn't think it was gonna like adhere to it. And then this is the Meguiar's headlight restoration kit, which also has a ceramic wipe. So I didn't touch those. I didn't do the windows or wheels because I wanted to try like other dressings for those. Yeah, I'm gonna try some other products on the car just to test out and do reviews on. So kind of want to leave that stuff on its own, and we can do a test maybe in another video soon of like the hydrophobics, an update, like a month update, and then like a 3, then a 6, then a year update probably. Because it says 50 washes, so we'll see how long that lasts. I'm assuming, obviously, I mean, I'm gonna have it parked out here in my house, and it's gonna be in the sun, so not gonna be the greatest protected wise, but I mean, Cerakote's, making it seem like it's gonna last a very long time. 50 washes, so we'll see how that lasts, how long that actually lasts. But I like the way if it looks. I mean, obviously, I did a 1-step correction polish, which definitely looks. I mean, it looks way better with that. Now, I gotta go get the towel actually, so I'm gonna go get the towel real quick because I see one little spot where I might have missed it here. So let's go ahead and get this towel. And there's 2 towels. I forgot to mention that. Let me show you guys real quick. Okay, so there's this single towel, and there's also we have 2 towels here. So I use one for wet, one for dry. I didn't even see that until I started doing it myself, and I was like, wait, it just fell out of it itself. So let me go ahead and buff out this little, I don't know if you guys can see right there, a little spot. I feel like you guys definitely should, once you do this whole product to your car, walk around it and see if you did any overspray that, or maybe some spot you missed when you buffed it out, because I just saw that one right there. So I'm gonna do one last walk around, see if I see anything that might have missed, needs a little buff or something. Yeah, man, the chrome trimming is looking nice too because I just did the polish and actually wiped out a lot of those scratches and water spot marks out of it, so that was good. And yeah, the paint, I mean, it's looking pretty nice. Obviously, there's some big scratches and stuff like that I obviously 1-step's not going to take out, but definitely is a major improvement there. So do I recommend Cerakote's Rapid Ceramic Paint Sealant for right under $20? I believe it's $17. Get a bottle that's probably going to be good for 3, 4, probably 4 cars, maybe 5. Actually, I don't know. Maybe like similar cars, some like mine, like sedans, you could probably get 4 to 6. I would say I would consider around there. Maybe you could stretch out to 7, 8. But it comes with 2 rags as well, 2 microfibers, and the box, and obviously on a little card here to obviously, I think you can, yeah, the instructions, stuff like that. So yeah, they're not lying, guys. It's quick and easy to apply. Literally just make sure you wash the car, it's dry, spray it on, wipe it with one rag, dry it off with the other one, buff it out, and then do that through the whole entire car. I believe this is safe to do on glass, tire. I believe you can do it on everything. So really cool there. Do not expose to moisture during the 2-hour cure. So I mean, it's not raining or anything. I'm not going to wet or anything. Sprinklers aren't on, so I mean that's going to stay out there for a little while. But yeah, guys, I think $16 is definitely worth the money, in my opinion. Especially if you want to just pick something up at your local Walmart, you don't have like a detail store near you to pick up like a bead maker or What was the other one I just talked about? Ceramics Choice, Details Ceramics Choice, whatever. Is that what it's called? Details Ceramics Choice or Mechanics Choice Detail Ceramic Spray, something like that. Yeah. Josh did a review on that one, and this one was as well as another one, and he actually preferred the Cerakote one. So, yeah. I mean, you don't have to buff off the other one, the Details Choice, but you do have to buff off this one. So, kind of for, but I really do think it looks really good. I wonder how it holds up with dusting because the beat it up. I keep saying beat it up. Bead Maker does actually have a lot of dusting in it. So I know a lot of people are saying to mix that with Dream Maker and then you make like the Clean Maker, basically what they call it. But I haven't done it. I should do that and try it out. But yeah, guys, I think it's really good. Ease of use to apply, it's like a 9 out of 10. I don't know how much easier. I mean, I guess the easiest way would just be to spray it and not have to rub it in. But let's give it an 8 out of 10 because you do have to buff it off. We'll give them an 8 out of 10. But yeah, really easy and simple. Yeah, hopefully you guys did enjoy it. Subscribe and like if you haven't already. And yeah, the next video we'll just do some more tests, upgrade, some updates on maybe the hydrophobics and how it's going to perform after the curing time. I'm not sure. Let me know in the comments what you guys want to see. But for now, I'll see you guys in the next one. Adios.